Ka School Little Flower High Secondary School Maubri ha ka Shitrek Risau Arhajar Arpusan kalapun ko no ay jingrakhe jubilik siar daga bapen ham no ay kalama jong school kabel kentir no kisi ngeblas sedang ya gane jingrakhe ha kene kisi bapen ko gane jingrakhe jubilik siar lawan benedon bentalang do Konrad Kongkal Sangma u menteri rangba ka jela Meghalaya kum kongsan ha ka jingidon rengkat uba daman bat lamare MLA ko Umroi constituency kum u sembut kongsan uba isin hing MDC ko Umroi Father Balestine Marwanyang Principal ke School ki officer sarkar ki nohikai ki kena school bat kiwi kiwi ke belah syakot sengubha. Laban kedua hang ne baya ke Little Flower High Secondary School Maubri latih eksam cajar kendai sepanjang pusan. Pada gini kisan posnam jong kejingyat lenti gini ke school kelan nang kiyo kikam ban ay kejing nang jeng start ki kena ki buan pulih gini ke school. Bat ka barang ya kisnam kalau kau ni kislam aji kai ke balapau ke distrik Ribhoi. Paling bagi negara sekolah kelala aru ban pemishibun kisamla kibastat bat champang bagi badan giker dan boper. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakam long basuk ban pentulun di kampung putih badai tangga ke jela Meghalaya bak sarkar kapet ki skul cimet benerap pisah ke bede bak ketulap jukino hikai. Ula airu ke jingero ya kabalang nadu ki missionary ki padar sestar bat kibai ki belapai kemat ban kentiau ke pulih putih ha ke jela. Barban airu ke jingnang jing start sya kisamla. Agni kesini nak liang menteri rangba Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulak pula ban ajing erap sekali ke skol arpsan lak tengka deng bagi Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. Nak benta bantai ke building jong ke skol ke bak kambit kambiang syusyu. Bat ke ban pensuk ki kena ki bapulih agni ke skol.
But a very, very fulfilling and satisfying journey. Many people have played their part in the roles. In the past, the principals, the past teachers, the past members of the managing committee, the past pupils and the students. All of you have contributed to making Little Flower School what it is today. I take this opportunity to give my sense of appreciation to all the past teachers, the past pupils, the past principals, and all who have made Little Flower School what it is today.